Welcome back, children. Act 4, Scene 1. Fine. In previous slides, we learned that Court of Venice, that is Duke, received a letter from Dr. Bellario. Right? In that, the message about sending Portia to the court was written in detail. When Duke read that letter, he understood and he accepted the person sent by Dr. Bellario to the court. Now let us see what is written in the court. Meanwhile, some attendants are sent to receive Portia because Duke gave permission. Let us see. Clerk reads, Your Grace shall understand that at the receipt of your letter I am very sick, but in the instant that your messenger came in loving visitation was with me a young doctor of Rome. His name is Balthazar. I acquainted him with the cause in controversy between the Jew and Antonio the merchant. We turned over many books together. He is furnished with my opinion, which bettered with his own learning, the greatness whereof I cannot enough recommend. Comes with him at my importunity to fill up your grace's request in my stead. I beseech you, let his lack of years be no impediment to let him lack a reverent estimation. For I never knew so young a body with so old a head. I leave him to your gracious acceptance, whose trail shall better publish his commendation. Fine, children. Now, clerk reads this letter where he tells that, where it is written that Dr. Bellario wrote all these things where he is telling that he is sick. When the messenger came to call for Venice, there was a person who came to visit him with love. He came from Rome, right? And his name was Balthazar. He is telling that this fellow who looks very young but has the head very old, means who is very wise. He even tells that he discussed with him about this case and they have turned many books, means turned over many pages, means they went through so many books for this case, and the opinion what this Balthazar, means Portia, will give in the court is nothing but the same opinion which is from Dr. Bellario. He tells that he is sending this fellow instead of him. Not only that, he even tells that please don't consider his young looks, consider his wise words, wise decisions. Even he tells that you yourself, after seeing his knowledge, you will accept that how intelligent this person is. Children, in this letter, Dr. Bellario appreciated Balthazar, that is Portia, very much nicely because he wanted to express that how intelligent this lawyer is who is sent instead of Dr. Bellario himself. Duke, you hear the learned Bellario, what he writes. And here, I take it, is the doctor come? Duke tells that now you all heard what is written by Dr. Bellario and he tells that I accept, I take means I accept his words. And then immediately he inquires, did the doctor come? Means is he present here? Immediately, what happens there, children? Enter Portia dressed like a doctor of laws. Fine. Who entered there? Our Portia, who is dressed like a doctor, entered inside the court. Give me your hand. Come you from old Bellario. So Duke himself comes forward to welcome Portia. Means she is disguised like lawyer Balthazar. Means doctor of law. I am giving you the repetition of words, characters and the description. Please keep a note of that. Portia, I did, my lord. So she replies, yes, I come from Dr. Bellario. Duke, you're welcome. Take your place. Are you acquainted with the difference that holds this present question in the court? So Duke asks that, so are you aware about the question, means case which is quite very different, which is going on in going on in court. Portia, and I am informed truly of the cause. Which is the merchant here and which is the Jew? So she tells that yes, I am aware about the matter of the case much in detail. No worries. So she asks that who is the Jew and who is the merchant here? Duke of Venice. Antonio and old Shylock both stand forth. So he calls that both merchant and Jew to come forth. Means come front. Portia. Is your name Shylock? Shylock. Shylock is my name. See, the tone changes here. Portia asks, pointing off towards the Jew by seeing his gestures and also dressing sense. She asks, is your name Shylock? So Shylock replies with high attitudes, Shylock is my name. Portia, of a strange nature is the suit you follow, yet in such rule that the Venetian law cannot impugn you as you do proceed. To Antonio, you stand within his danger, do you not? Antonio, I, so he says. Portia, do you confess the bond? I do. Portia, then must the Jew be merciful? Fine. So, Portia tells that your suit means your bond is quite very different, where you stand to take a life of a person. And she asks to Antonio, Antonio, don't you feel that you are in the clutches of this Jew? Antonio accepts, yes, I am. So Portia tells that, do you confess the bond? Means, do you accept the bond? Antonio tells that, yes, I accept. So Portia turns towards Jew and tells that, Portia tells again to the Jew that you should be merciful. Why am I using again? Because previously Bassanio, Duke, everyone requested to show mercy. But Shylock was not ready. Shylock, of what compulsion must I? Tell me that. So Shylock questions that, for what I should show mercy? Tell me that. Portia, the quality of mercy is not strained. See, children, here in this lines, Portia very clearly explains that what is the value of mercy and why we should be merciful, from where mercy comes, and what is the result of being merciful towards other human beings. Children, life is all about being helpful and being human towards others. If we are not showing mercy towards each other, this Mother Earth will be filled with wars between us. Understand this concept of Portia here, what she is explaining, which is applicable for each and every person. Let us see. Let me read out, then we'll explain. The quality of mercy is not strained, it dropped as the gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. It blessed him that gives and him that takes. Let me explain this much. The quality of mercy is not strained, means cannot be forced, and this is freely gifted to human being from God, from heaven, that too specially for earth. Okay, that is for human beings. And children, if you are showing mercy, you are blessed. Okay, and the person who receives is again blessed once, and the person who receives is blessed twice. Understood? Let me explain once again here. This one, it is twice blessed. It blessed him that gives and him that takes. Children, blessing is which multiplies. Yes, children, God is very merciful. When we show mercy to the other person, you are first time blessed. And the person who receives is the person who gets blessings, and also he is also blessed. And the person who shows mercy means 1 plus 1, twice blessed, means the person who shows mercy is double time blessed from the Lord. And this mightiest is the mightiest. It becomes the throned monarch better that he crowns. His scripture shows the force of temporal power, the attribute to awe and majesty, wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings. But mercy is above the scripted sway. It is enthroned in the hearts of kings. It is an attribute to God himself, and earthly power doth then show likest gods, when mercy seasons justice, therefore Jew. Fine. Till here, let me explain. Here, she is giving example of great king. Children, the powerful kings should be always merciful towards their citizens. In case, if the leaders and kings are not merciful, then the biggest sufferers are the citizens or the innocent people of that country or that region. Okay, or of that region, the people like you and me who cannot go and fight with anyone should be treated with mercy. The scripture means the rod which is in king's hand, which is swayed, means which is used to give orders, should give the orders with mercy, and that mercy helps us to be human and to be alive with happiness. In case if the king gives without mercy the orders, then again that region or that country will be under suffering, and we can see the biggest terrors on the earth. Same way, she turns towards the Jew. Therefore, Jew, though justice be the play, consider this. She requests him. She requests him with lots of humanity that in the course of justice, none of us should see salvation. We do pray for mercy. And that same prayer doth teach us all to render the deeds of mercy. I have spoken thus much to mitigate the justice of the play, which is thou follow the strict court of Venice, must needs give sentence against the merchant there. She tells, whatever it is, be noble, okay, like the king. You should show the mercy now for the situation. Okay, although you demand what is due, means you are asking for what is written in the bond. Okay, play means what actually is. Correct. You are asking for justice, but still you can be human. Because now when we show mercy, then only we will see salvation. Means happiness after death. Otherwise we will not reach heaven if we are not merciful towards other human being. More than you expect I have spoken, dear Jew. Now it is your turn to show the mercy, which if thou follow this strict court of Venice must needs to give sentence against the merchant here. In case if you are not showing mercy, then this court should give the sentence against the mercy. We should really go against the mercy and give the sentence to this. Sentence means punishment to this Christian, or what is his name? Antonio. Fine. Shylock, my deeds upon my head. I crave the law, the penalty and forfeit of my bond. Whatever it is, you don't have to bother, dear lawyer. My deeds means whatever I am doing, let it be with me. Let me take the punishment of Lord later after my death. You don't worry about that, Portia. Is he not able to discharge the money? She turned towards Antonio and his people and she asked, why Antonio is not able to give money? Bassanio, yes, here I tender it for him in the court. Here I have, we can dispense the money, means we can give back his money. Yes, twice the sum. If that will not suffice, I will be bound to pay it 10 times over on forfeit of my hands, my head, my heart. If this will not suffice, it must appear that malice bears down truth. And I beseech you, wrest once the law of your authority to do a great right, do a little wrong, and curb this cruel devil of his will. So Bassanio tells that I have money, twice the amount what we should pay. If he is not satisfied, I am ready to pay 10 times more. If he is not satisfied with the money, I am ready to give my head, heart, hand. That also if it is not satisfied, then we are destroying, malice means destroying honesty for this fellow. I request to use the strict powers of this Venice court and to give punishment for this devil, Jew, and give justice for this Antonio. Portia, it must not be. There is no power in Venice can alter a decree established. 'Twill be recorded for a predicament, and many an error by the same example will rush into the state it cannot be. It is not possible. We cannot go against the power of Venice, and this power should be established, means whatever is written in the bond we should do it. Otherwise, if we change the justice and the rules for justice, then in future we should follow for whoever is asking to change the rules of justice which have not been changed till now. Fine. In next slide again we will learn what is the reply of Shylock for this.